Okay, Kuya Lucas. Ready ka na? Ganito. Sasabihin ko yung birthday. Then, ko-convert mo sa numeric. Okay? Sige. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Ha? Okay. Birthday ni Nanay. Birthday ni Yana. Birthday ni Tatay. Ang galing! Birthday ni Lola. Birthday ni Lola. November 3. 11/3. Birthday ni Oma. September 3. 9/3. Birthday ni Liam. Birthday ni Liam. October 26. Ano yung October 26? 26. Birthday ni Tantot. December 17. Birthday ni Kuya Je. April 7. Birthday ni Ate Laisel. November 18. Birthday ni Kuya Baldo. November 25. Birthday ni Kuya Prince. March 4. 3-4. Birthday ni Tito T. January 3. Birthday ni Tassel. April 6. 4-6. Birthday ni Ganda. March 1. 3-1. Birthday ni Chupat. April 23. 4/23. Birthday ni Titong. March 7. Ilan? March 7? 3/7. Birthday ni Tita Melo, February 12. Ayusin mo. Ilan ang February 12? 2/12. Birthday ni Tito Limuel, August 28. Paano? 8/28. Birthday ni Tita Bane, July 12.
7/12.
Birthday ni Tito Leo, July 17.
7/17.
Birthday ni Lolo. Kailan birthday ni Lolo? August 14. 8/14. Anong date today? October? October 3. Yay! Good job, Kuya Lucas. Clap your hands. Hindi makakaklap.